Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see transpose function. By using this function, we can convert column data into row data into column data. In this Excel, I have updated some values in A column and B column. Now we will see how to convert this A column, B column into one to row. Select any cell. I am going to select the F cell. Give equal, type transpose, open bracket. It's an array formula, so it comes array. So select the total value which we need to convert from column to row data, close bracket, enter. So here we can see we have converted the column data into row data. So this is how we should use transpose function. Also, one more way we can do this function, just to copy and paste. Okay, I have selected this entire data, right click, copy. So select cell where we need to paste it. Here I have selected, right click, there is one option, paste special. Here you can see one option, transpose. Just to click this option and give OK. This is one more way we can do it. We can convert from column to rows. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. If you need more videos like this, please mention in the comment below.